God bless you. Spinning on you.
That's right, I had to hook something on there and hold that. What did I clamp?
Shaft.
You know I did. That's right. I was worried about putting a...
On the old one, you don't have to worry about it.
That's right. There we go. That's what I did last time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I can see that. I can see that.
Well, okay, folks.
Oh, you know what?
What?
It has been zipping it off. It's actually somehow nothing threads left on it.
Will it end up going all sorts of directions?
Just so it doesn't hit Herbie.
I don't care about Herbie on this.
It's not going to go too far past that. And the stairway, nah, this didn't do that last time. We're good, we got it.
Nope. It doesn't shoot very far.
Thank you for watching MACT's videos, and remember to like and subscribe. This is a Mercy Go production.